I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to add a link now. Open your presentation and select the exact text, image, or shape you want to turn into a link. Once selected, click the link icon in the toolbar or press Ctrl+K to open the link dialog. Paste the full URL or start typing to link to another slide. Add a short tooltip so viewers know what to expect. Make sure you select the right element first, because linking the wrong object means extra edits later. Next, decide how the link should behave and why. Paste a web address for external pages, type mailto. For email or click slides in this presentation to jump internally. Once you pick a destination, check the preview that appears so you know it's correct. Change the visible text or resize the link shape to improve clarity. If linking to a shared file, make sure permissions allow viewers to open it. Once configured, hit apply and don't forget to save changes. Finish by testing every link in present mode to confirm it opens the expected target. Click through and note any unexpected behavior. If you need to change the destination or display text, select the linked element and press Ctrl+K or right-click and choose Edit Link, then update and reapply. If a link fails, check that the URL begins with https:// confirm the target file's sharing settings, and ensure collaborators have access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.